we discussed how vegetable sandwich is made, right? We discussed how to write the recipe of a food item. And what was the food item? It was vegetable sandwich. Yes. And we saw how to write the different steps. Huh? So today we are going to write it in the book. Please get your pencil ready and also your eraser along with the book. Page number 23. Yes, Arav?
Ma'am, page number?
Page number 23. Page 23.
I not
Wait.
book.
Hmm?
Ma'am,
Yes?
book. Ma'am,
Workbook.
notebook.
Workbook. Take the workbook.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes?
Page number?
Page number 23. 23. Okay? Shall we start writing?
Yes.
So, explanatory writing. Exercise 4. Write a paragraph to explain how a sandwich is made. And 4 hints are given there. What type of sandwich is it? What things do you need? So, what type of sandwich is it? Muhammad Ihsan?
Vegetable sandwich.
Vegetable sandwich. Very good. Vegetable sandwich. What things do you need to make the sandwich? That is the second question. What are the things that you need, Alvina?
Tomato, cucumber.
Main thing, no. The first thing you need is bread, then the vegetables, right? Apart from the vegetables, what do you need for making the sandwich? To apply, to spread it on? Cheese or butter. Okay, fine. Then, what are the steps to be followed from the start to the finish? That is the third hint. And then lastly, are there any important things to keep in mind while making the sandwich? Okay, so taking together all these hints, we are going to write a paragraph of how to make the vegetable sandwich. So you have to write along with me. Okay? Write neatly. Take care of the spellings. Also take care of the punctuation marks. The capital letters, the commas, the full stops. Okay. So, shall we start writing?
Yes.
Start from the middle of the line, first line. Okay.
Number?
Yes.
Page number?
23. Page 23. Workbook. Workbook page number 23. It is the vegetable. Write along with me. Vegetable sandwich. So whenever you write a paragraph, don't start writing from the left. Just leave some space. And then start writing. Okay? We need bread, butter. We are adding one more ingredient in this to make the sandwich tastier, that is green chutney. Green chutney is also called pudina chutney. What is pudina? mint leaves. You might be knowing. It's used in biryani. It's a very, what is, spicy type of condiment. Green chutney, cucumber, left side, then you have to maintain that from the margin. Okay, don't leave any space on the left side. Only the beginning, the sentence, the beginning of the sentence should be started from by leaving some space from the left side. Then after that, you make sure you write till the extreme right and then start from the extreme left. Continue from the extreme left. Only then it will look like a paragraph. Okay. Cucumber, tomatoes, and onions. Full stop. Then capital letter, wash the vegetables, peel the cucumber and onions and cut them into thin slices. Next, two slices of bread, butter, on them. After this, apply some green chutney on both slices. Don't apply too much. What do you mean by too much? More than required. More than needed. Don't apply too much and make the sandwich very spicy. Arrange. So you have to place the vegetables in a good or attractive way. Arrange the vegetables neatly. Vegetables on one of the bread slices and cover them with the other slice. Cut the sandwich neatly into two parts. Enjoy this. With tomato sauce. It is yummy. Put an exclamation mark. Children, are you able to write? Please unmute your.
ma'am.
Okay, okay. Do it carefully, okay? Write it neatly in your book. Let it look like a neat little paragraph.
Sir,
Yes?
then using this much only. This much only.
Yes, yes, this much only. You want more?
Yes.
Anyway, I'm not planning to give you more. Please write this neatly.
Ma'am, using in WhatsApp.
Pardon?
Using in WhatsApp.
Why? You write it now? I'm not going to send it in the WhatsApp. You have to complete writing it now. Write it. I'm giving you enough time for writing. Take your time. Take your time and make sure that you complete. Just a few sentences, right? You just need 15 minutes for completing it. You should get into the practice of writing because exams in March, you're going to have written examination. It's not just clicking on the options. So you should be comfortable writing
Ma'am,
in the given time. Finished. Very good. Very
Ma'am,
fast.
finish.
Wow, that's great.
Ma'am, not finished.
See, don't you have time? Is it that many of you have turned off your videos? My God.
Ma'am, are
Just a moment,
finished?
just a moment, just a moment. Don't panic.
I see the board.
Wait. Come, okay?
Now can you put little more? I cannot see anything.
Just a moment. Please wait. I'll get it ready for you. Don't worry.
Ma'am, I have completed. Ma'am, little more up.
Wait, just a moment.
Little more down.
Little more down. Okay, fine.
Ma'am, we cannot see.
Now is it clear?
Ma'am, we yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, we cannot see a full.
You cannot see the full screen.
No.
You just
Yes.
scroll it.
Ma'am, we can see full screen.
Okay, you can see, Anna?
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, I cannot see you. Ma'am,
Hmm?
will you do little more side?
Okay. Now is it okay?
Yes.
Hmm.
Ma'am, little more small you.
Hmm?
Ma'am, little more side. Ma'am, this is enough.
Okay. Maybe it depends on the way you have kept your screen. So what we have written, it is a vegetable sandwich. We need bread, butter, green chutney, cucumber, tomatoes and onions.
Ma'am,
Wash the
little more side.
vegetables. Wait.
I cannot see the half of the.
Uh-huh.
Ma'am, I cannot see the half.
Now is it okay?
No.
Still not okay. Still not okay. You cannot see? Who cannot see?
No.
Just let me know. Bandan, Bandan, you cannot see?
Ma'am, now it's okay.
Now it might be okay. Only thing, maybe the font is a little bit smaller, but you can zoom it. You can zoom it in your device and write it down. So wash the vegetables, peel the cucumber and onions and cut them into thin slices. Next, so these steps are given in the correct order, okay? Next, take 2 slices of bread and spread butter on them. After this, apply some green chutney on both slices. Don't apply too much and make the sandwich too spicy. Arrange the vegetables on one of the bread slices and cover them with the other slice. Cut the sandwich neatly into 2 parts. Enjoy this sandwich with tomato sauce. It is yummy. Did you all go through the portions for the exam?
Yes.
The lessons, literature text, as well as all the vocabulary exercises from our workbook. So you have to make sure, go through all the pages and make sure that you have completed. Nobody should make panic calls just 2 or 3 days before the examination. This week itself, you have to make sure that you have completed the notes of all the lessons. Keep the timetable. Take the timetable, check all the lessons and make sure that you have completed. Okay? The notes as well as the workbook exercises. I have mentioned each exercise, modules and exercise. So Abhinav, have you completed all the notes in the workbook?
Yes.
Everything is done? And what about the
Yes.
notes, literature notes? You completed all the 5 lessons, right? Okay,
Yes.
good. Gauri Nanda, did you finish writing? Did you
Ma'am,
finish
I
writing?
finished writing.
Okay, very good, Adhika. What about Gauri Nanda? Please unmute your audio. Just show me a book.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? Yes, I cannot hear you. What were you telling? Gauri Nanda,
Yes, ma'am.
did you finish writing this?
No.
Why? And what were you doing there? You were not writing. You were doing something else. Write fast. Don't waste your time.
I am finished.
Okay, very good, Anay. Can you please show it to me?
Yes.
Just show it. Okay. What about the previous page? 23? Turn the page. Okay, perfect. Good.
Finished. Ma'am,
Bandhan?
I finished.
Okay, okay.
Yes,
Isan,
ma'am.
just show me. Please show me the pages. Okay, that starting page and okay, done. Very good.
I'm finished.
Able. Yes, show it. Show the book. You should be able to write the answers neatly in the given time because there might be a few students who don't like to write in the class. These are the students who ask, ma'am, will you send it in the WhatsApp? When we are writing in the classroom, then why do you want me to send it again in the WhatsApp? So
Ma'am,
if you find that you are not
and
able
we
to catch
want to
up with the
write
teacher,
what?
increase. Yes, Hannah.
Ma'am, we want to write in
Yes,
what?
Hannah. I guess you joined late, right? Please take your workbook. Take your workbook on, and this you have to write on page number 23. Last class we discussed about the vegetable sandwich, right?
Yes.
Do you remember? Yes, we are writing that. I
Yes.
just wrote it on the board. You write. See, if you're confident enough to write your own recipe like this, if you want to add a few more sentences of your own, of your choice, suppose if you want to use some other vegetables, instead of cucumber, you want to use spinach or lettuce, whatever, or cabbage, you can add that. It's up to you. It's up to you. I just gave you a sample. You can make changes in that. That is up to you. But when you write, see, in this writing skill, what you have to take care is spelling should be correct. There should be no grammatical mistakes. The sentence construction should be right. And then you have to put proper punctuation marks. So if all this is there, then you will easily score full marks. Don't worry about it. Adhika, can you read what you have written? Just read it loudly.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
It is a vegetable sandwich. We need bread, butter, green chutney, cucumber, tomatoes, and
Not cucumber.
onions.
Wait. Hold on. How did I ask you to pronounce that word? It's not cucumber. It's cucumber.
Cucumber,
Cucumber.
cucumber,
Cucumber.
cucumber,
Hmm.
cucumber, tomatoes,
Hmm.
onions.
Not onions. It's onions.
Onions.
Onions. Yes.
Wash the vegetables, peel the cucumber
Again,
and
cucumber.
onions, and cut them into slices.
Thin slices, right?
Thin slices.
Hmm.
Next, take 2 slices of bread and spread butter on them. After this, apply some green chutney on both slices. Don't apply too much and make the sandwich very spicy. Arrange the vegetables on one of the bread slices and cover them with the other slice. Cut the sandwich neatly into 2 parts. Enjoy this with tomato sauce. It is yummy.
Okay. Bandhan, did you finish writing, Bandhan?
No, ma'am. I joined only to 10. I completing now last one.
Okay. So now if you are asked to make something else, some other food item, will you be able to write? How to make tea? Will you be able to write the recipe of how to make tea? So what will you, how will
Ma'am,
you
I
present?
know to tell.
Bandhan, you carry on with your writing. I'm just asking this to the others who have completed the writing. So how to make, is there anyone who knows how to write the recipe of tea? How to make tea? What are the ingredients required? So the thing is that you have to give the introduction. What is the food item you are going to make? The ingredients required. Then what comes next? How to prepare it. And then present it. The final presentation. That's all. Okay. Okay, children. So I guess there are a few students who have not completed writing. Can you please raise your hand, those who did not complete? Anna? Hanna? Okay, no, don't worry. I'll send it in the WhatsApp, okay? But please make sure
Ma'am,
that
I completed.
Okay, good. Sri Bhadra. Okay, so I'm going to wind up the class. Our time is up.
Time is up.
Thank you all. Thank you. Bye.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.